Hello YouTube, here is what I'm working on today. So my electronic steps for my RV here stopped working because on the arm from the gears, this piece right here, just this one little piece, broke. And I don't know why. Probably because my dad had parked it too close to curbs too many times, and that was the only piece I needed, but I could not for the life of me find that one piece right there anywhere. So I had to buy this whole gear assembly, and it wasn't too terribly expensive, less than 70 bucks, but it just sucks that that one little piece right there is what broke. And I was hoping that when I got this, that I could just take this piece and put it on my old gear assembly. No, it's some weird rivet thing here. And I was thinking, oh, well, maybe I can just take this off right here, take this arm off, and put this on. But for the life of me, I cannot get that thing off of there. And I'm worried about breaking it if I do try. So, this is going to be my project for the day. Alright, so, I'll give you an idea of what I'm working with here. This is underneath the step here. This is the motor that drives the gear. And first you got to take that motor off. And then I'll see what's going on. But as you can see, just this little piece right here, that's what broke. And it pins in right there. That's all I needed. Just that little piece right there. So, oh well. Alright, just so you know, these are a 10mm socket. And anytime you're working like this, make sure you have some safety glasses on. You don't want to be getting this, all the yucky debris in your eyes. That's no bueno. Okay. Ooh. Ew. Maybe it is good that I had to replace this whole thing. I don't know what that is. Some nasty shit in there. I don't know. Alrighty. Also our 10mm. Nope. The old switcheroo. 7/16. Gotta love it when you switch back from metric to standard. So, I'm back. Hopefully everything gonna be alright. It comes with this little short shaft that goes through the drive gear there. So I'll put one washer on the inside, and then I'll put the second washer. I call it a washer, probably not a washer, but that's what I'm calling it. So put it like so. Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna make sure my step is turned off, and I'm gonna throw some lubricant on all the hinges here, because I'm sure it needed it really bad. And we'll go from there. I'll remake this connection, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so that looks like fully extended, and the little step light came on. I don't know if you can see that there. Alright, now let me close the door and see what happens. Well, I guess that answers that question. I don't know if it just automatically knows where to stop or what. I do see some kind of grounding lug. I don't know, some kind of limiter of sorts. But I'm gonna finish cleaning this up and lubricate it. So there you go. That wasn't nearly as bad nor as expensive as I thought it was going to be.